Hello YouTube, Ed C here. Welcome to Horizon Bound. It's 4th of July weekend, the Saturday before, the Sunday before the 4th, and feeling kind of bored, so I figured I would make an effort to bring to you from the vast outdoors of my backyard a little product review. And so one of the things I've noticed in a lot of the campgrounds I've gone to recently is that not all campgrounds have fire pits, which means you can't have a fire, you can't cook over the fire, you have to use propane or whatever it is you may have. So I picked up a portable flat pack fire pit. This is what that looks like. Of course, I got it from Cabela's, and it was cheap because I had points on my card. As you can see, it actually folds down into a very compact package. Oop, I'm popping stuff off already. That's probably going to be an issue at some point. Here's the actual firebox itself. And we're just going to go ahead and set that up right here in my backyard and give it a try. Quick view of the instructions and the box itself. Okay, let's do this. I have no idea what this is for. It popped off. I don't know what it does. Pretty simple though. The legs cross on the bottom, and this fits into the slots here and gives you a stable platform. So let's get a fire started. I think the hardest part is going to be getting the grill on top of it. That's going to get hot really fast. So the plan right now is to make a power cake burger. Sounds a little weird, but basically I'm going to make pancakes and put a burger in between two of them. So the problem I'm seeing right now is that all the wood that I've got made, or that I've got cut already, is too wide for this fire pit. So we're going to have to break things down a little bit. It looks like I'm going to have to give it some incentive. I'll be back. Oh, hey, look at that. Lit up all by itself for me. This is what's known as a pocket bellows. It's collapsible and allows you to get close into the fire and blow air directly on the area you want to warm up. Since we're using cast iron, I'm going to get this on here to get warmed up right away. Looks like it might heat unevenly, but handy dandy Nalgene bottle with my Power Kick mix and half cup of water. First time I'm trying this, so we'll see if this works out. If it does, we'll be doing this more. A couple of pre-cooked burgers here. I'm going to throw these on. They'll give me a good idea how warm everything is, which I'm just going to say right now is not very. So the biggest problem I see with this design is once you've got the fire going and you put the grill on, you've got no way to add more fuel. So I'm going to get down here and get serious with it. Because it's very lopsided. I can hear the meat starting to sizzle. It's a good sign. Might need to add more water. May have overdone it. Let's see what we can do. I think the burgers are done. Well, they've been done. Probably should have got some cheese, but I'm watching my weight. All right, let's see if we can pull this off. This might be too hot. I got more than I wanted. That's what it looks like up close. Yes, I just did that left-handed. Is that rock? You know what I don't have? I need to put this on to cool. Oh wait. Oh, that was my air compressor. I forgot to turn that off. This is the boring part. Interesting side note, souvenir mug from South Dakota. WildWestSoda.net. Never been to the website, but I did buy a sarsaparilla from them. It's all about the memories. My burger. But I have more pancake mix. And I still have a hot pan, so we're going to go ahead and finish this off. And then we'll see if I have the willpower not to eat it all.